Okay, this will be an introduction to multimeters and oscilloscopes. Multimeters basically tell us how much voltage that we're using. Remember, we first started off with a battery we knew was 9 volts. Let's turn this battery around a little bit. Yeah, let's keep it there. Okay. And let's go get a multimeter. They're way down here. Here's a multimeter. It will read voltage. It'll tell you how much voltage something is actually using. Okay, so let's measure this battery. We kind of know it should be 9 volts. Let's go from the negative here, a wire here, nice black wire, and down here, I'll stop here, and then go over here. Okay, so that's negative power. And let's get a red wire. Let's go from here, down to here, down to here, down to here. And there we go. And now let's start simulation. And it measures right at 9 volts. Awesome, awesome. I want to see what my Arduino is measuring at. I think this is a 5 volts. But let's find out. I might be wrong. It might be higher than that. Maybe 7 volts. Okay, so let's delete the wires here. We don't need those anymore. And we're going to delete the battery. We don't need, we don't. I'll keep the battery there. Just bring my multimeter a little closer. And I have negative and positive power here. So let's start measuring it. So positive power first. And I'll go underneath here, here, and then I'll go to that one. That'll give me positive power. Switch to black, and let's go get some negative power. Let's go up here. Okay, that's negative power. Okay, from there, we're going to go ahead and turn on our multimeter, or start simulation. Hey, I was right, yeah, about 5 volts. So this is delivering 5 volts. Now, these lights can't take 9 volts, and most likely can't take well the 5 volts. Let's see what the resistors are giving them as far as voltage right now. So let's stop simulation and delete these wires and take our multimeter to the other side. And we're going to measure the voltage that the lights are now getting. So let's go to the negative and put on a black wire. And let's go over here. And they'll give us our negative power. Let's change this to red. Sorry, let's go to red. And get some positive power. And we'll go this far. And we'll go to this side right here. Okay, got it. All right, now let's measure. It dropped it down to 1.89. So originally delivering 5 volts, but because of the resistors, it's now less than 2. Now, if I can get that voltage up a little bit, let's say, how can I get that voltage up to 2? Even 2, or as close as I can. Well, let's click the resistor and see what the resistor is doing. The resistor right now is at 1 k ohms, which is the K stands for 1,000, so that's 1,000 ohms. And I want to change the resistance so that I can get the voltage up a little higher. So let's increase the resistance. Right now I'm at 1. Let's go to 2, which is actually 2,000. My voltage went to 1.85. Let's go to 10 for resistance. And now my voltage is down to 1.77. Whoa, okay. So starting off with thousands is not helping me, especially going up. Let's just go with, let's see, let's go with 100. That's getting worse. 166. Okay, let's take the K off. Let's just go to a regular ohm. So now it's just a regular 100 ohms. And I'm up to 2.07. I'm getting very close to 2. So your job is to find out what kind of resistor do we need, what measurement of resistor to get this exactly at 2.00 volts. Good luck on that.